हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Welcome to my YouTube channel, Linguistics and Research Guideline. I'm going to discuss a very important and interesting topic. Yes, it's morphosyntactic. What is morphosyntax? Yes. What is morphosyntax in linguistics? Morphosyntax is another word for grammar. Grammar can be divided into morphology and syntax. And syntax is the study of sentences and their rules of formation. Essentially, morphology and syntax are studies of the same thing, formation, rules of a language, but are differing levels. What is the role of morphosyntax in linguistics? Yes, morphosyntax involves morphosyntax, lexicology, and morphemes. Yes, morphology and lexicology. Morphology is the branch of linguistics that study the structure of words in a particular language and their classification. What is morpheme? The smallest meaningful unit of grammar. And what is lexicology? It is the study of vocabulary of a language. And what about lexeme? The smallest unit in the meaning system of a language that can be distinguished from other similar units. Yes, morphology, morphosyntax, and syntax. Morphosyntactic properties contains modes, aspect, tense, gender, number, diathesis, agreement. Even there is likely PM, Lyons 1977, 427, Stumps in Spencer 1998. Morphosyntax, the study of grammatical categories or linguistic units that have both morphological and syntactic properties. The set of rules that governs linguistic units whose properties are definable by both morphological and syntactic criteria. The number category in nouns, for example, may be expressed morphologically through inflectional endings and syntactically through agreement with verb, tense, person, voice, and voice are examples of other morphosyntactic categories. What is morphosyntactic structure? Morphosyntax is a combination of morphology and syntax. The distinction occur in the science called morphology. However, the word cooks is influenced by another word which together with the word cooks itself forms a bigger structure which is called syntactic structures. What does morphosyntactic development means? The study of grammatical categories or linguistic units that have both morphological and syntactic properties. The set of rules that govern linguistic units whose properties are definable by both morphological and syntactic criteria. What is morphosyntax example? Examples of this are singular, plural, pairs of nouns such as goes, geese, foot, feet, sheep, sheep, and irregular present simple past past participle paradigms for verbs such as put, give, gave, given, run, rain, run. Morphosyntactic annotation. Morphosyntactic annotation or tagging is a process whereby a part of speech label tag is associated attached with each word or punctuation mark in a text in order to reflect its function. This process is usually carried out more or less automatically using a computer program called a tagger. What are morphosyntactic skills? Morphosyntactic skills is a longitudinal correlate of sentence comprehension, reading sentences, passages, differentially rely on morphosyntactic word order skills. Definition: the study of the morphological and syntactic properties of linguistic or grammatical units, the rules that determine the relation between one linguistic form and another, definable by morphological and syntactic criteria. Linguistics involving both morphology and syntax. Number is a morphosyntactic unit, plural, require both a morphological change and syntactic agreement between noun and verb. Books: Introduction to Syntax by Cormera Hollow, Universal Grammar by Noam Chomsky. Thank you for joining me. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. See you in next lecture. Keep listening and keep joining me. Thank you so much. Stay safe and Allah Hafiz.